guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. So today I'll be sharing methods you can use to refresh your old crusty braids. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. So starting is you half your head, you half it, and then you take pieces. It really just depends on the size of the curls you want. So if you want this, then you would take a large section of hair, and then you would knot it up. I don't want curls at large. And then if you want your curls to come out like this, then you would go for like 3 sections for each knot. Okay, so I'll do this side. So you would fold it up, and then you knot it up, knot it up. Yes, and so from the point where you folded it up, so like this. So like, I hope you understand what I'm saying. So like this part that you're going to wrap around the hair is the part where the curls will be when you put it in the hot water. So this part won't be curled. It will only be the part where you folded it up. You fold it up, and then you would wrap around. Okay? And then the part that you're wrapping around is the part where the curl will be. So yeah, I hope that made sense. I will never forget you. You will always be by my side. From the day that I met you, I knew that I would love you till the day I die. And I will let go and much more. And in my heart I will always be sure that I will never forget you, never forget you, till the day I die. Okay, so the next part we do is the scalp. As you can see, everything is really dry. It's all really dry, and then it's loose. So you're gonna need some oil in a spray bottle. Okay, so first you of course spray your room, just a little. And then you get some oil. This is castor oil and sunflower oil. You moisturize your scalp, and then you just moisturize along the length of your hair. Okay guys, so that's basically all that you have to do to refresh your braids so they look fresh again. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like, comment and subscribe. Follow me on all my social media accounts. They'll be linked down in the description. And thanks for watching. Bye.